background. Look at the size of this snow pile right there. They got over 300 inches of snow here in Munising this winter. It's 32 degrees, the bank clock says. It says 29 on my truck clock. Pictured Rocks Interpretive Center there. Now this is going to be the Pictured Rocks Pier launch, or if you remember from last September when I went on the cruise, there's the pier. Boy, you can't even see Lake Superior. The snow is just so heavy. But if you look in the distance there, if you see that drone shot of Munising in the area, that's the pier. So you're looking right ahead of you here at Munising Bay, which I guess we're going to get a better shot of that tomorrow for you. Somebody just texted me. Anyway, and then there's the sign, Pictured Rocks Cruises, which is not open until I think the end of May. So when I do come back in the fall, that's something I hope to do again. There's the bank clock, Munising Gateway to Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. It's 11:10, 32 degrees. So I'm just going to go head to my hotel now and eat my omelet. I stopped at that Jolly Inn in Germfast where they did the 7-pound omelet challenge. No, I did not get it or do it, but I did get an omelet to go. There's the Dairy Queen. Of course, they're going to be closed. Glad to see the streets are very well clear, but the snow is coming down hard. Look at these snow mounds and ice mounds around town. Man, they weren't kidding. See, this is exactly why I would have a very tough time moving here to Munising. I just don't think I can handle the winters here. I mean, I can handle winters in Northwest Ohio, and we've had rough snow and ice before, but nothing like they get here. Now, a winter ago, they had a very mild winter. Almost nothing. And it was in the 70s when I came up. Now, granted, it was 3 weeks later than this. But they still have look at the pile of snow right there. On the hill. Jeez. This is still M-28 West. If you're looking on the drone shot of Munising, this is that big curve on the left-hand side of the map. See what, again, it looks like you're driving through the mountains almost here, but these are just really big hills that surround Lake Superior. That maple syrup fudge pasty shop is up here on the right. But look at the beautiful snow there in the trees. My friend Savannah in Indiana, she loves the snow, she says. Well, you should have been with me. You'd have your fill of it up here. Just passing by the high school on the right. The hotel is down here on the right, so it's not going to have a really great view right now, but according to the weather, it's supposed to clear up after 2. There it is, Muldoon's Pasties. Maple syrup, fudge. It's phenomenal. Definitely will be a stop, which I thought was going to be today, but may have to be tomorrow now. Now, about 50 minutes this direction, going west, is Marquette. Oh, that's the headquarters of Pictured Rocks Kayaking right there. You've seen me post some videos of that. So now we're exiting Munising, although, I mean, technically we're still in Munising, but I gotta remember where the hotel is here. I know it comes up on the right. But we're out of downtown right now. Comfort Inn that I usually stay in, I did last year. That's on the other side of town. But again, they're not open till May 1st because of the heavy snow.